So let's go and get to a very dangerous vulnerability that we could find, and that's code injection. When you can inject your code, that means you could do things server side. Client, you could affect the server side from the client side, which is very very bad. It opens up a huge attack surface. Um, let's get to example one. So with example one, we're going to manually try to inject a command in here. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be running the system command, and then we're going to be injecting our code. So let's do this. Um, that'll be what we're running here. So we run the system command, and then we go in and do a view name, and as you can see the name of the server, what kind of version it is, what 2.6.32-5-686. You can see how that could be dangerous. But even worse is you could run commands like ls, things like that. So example two. With example two, we're just playing an SQL query, as you can see here, and it's ordered by ID. But what we could do is we could insert a system command and then run our own command in the background. So let's do that. So we'll do this. Let's copy and let's go and paste it. Not we don't even have to take out that command. We could just leave it in there, and beautiful. See, it gave us a runtime error, but it still did exactly what we wanted to do, which it gave us, all the information that we want. So now let's move on to example 3, code injection. So example 3, you can see what we're doing here is we're going to be using the /E to go ahead and inject some code. The /E is going to cause our PHP code to replace whatever we inject, and it's going to not even think about it really. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to grab it from here and copy. I have this command written down. We're trying to get the password to the password file, or to the user information file. Let's go and do that. Here's our /E, and there it is. So now we were able to get that information. So example 4, okay. With example 4, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get it to run a command, and I'm just gonna have a simple command with example 4. Just gonna have a, let's just see, very simple command, just one that's gonna an ls command. So you kind of see the dangers of this. So as you can see here, it's dangerous because it tells you exactly what is in the file, what is in the server. You could run ls, you could do some directory traversal if you want. You could just get to other files that you shouldn't, as a client, have access to, and get them to dump on your screen like that. That's something very very unsafe.